My name is Arslan Ahmed. I'm the project manager of Team 41.
My name is Ahmed Zahrani. I'm a team leader of the group number 41.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Amir Khan and I was in charge of developing the documents.
Hi, my name is Qudsi Sharif and I'm the head of quality assurance, but I also took part in the development of the cloud.
My name is George. I'm the co-lead of quality assurance team and I'm the developer of the simulation.
I am Salah Rashid. I am the leader of the developer team.
Have you ever been in such kind of situation? Having too many keys? Losing your key? Not finding the right key? Getting frustrated? Don't worry, we got your back. Get installed Smart Door Lock System. Smart Door Lock System created by Group 41 Dreammakers. What is Smart Door Lock System? This video will help to explain the idea. Objectives of the system. You don't need any more keys. It's secure. It's really easy to use. Now, your smart device is your key. It's low cost and effective. Before starting the project, we had to go to different phases. First of all, finding the right people for the right job. Finding a solution for the problem. Agreeing on the right solution. And then writing the first document, the project brief. For the planning stage, we had three main components: the cloud, the app, and the lock. The lock was connected with the app and the app was connected to the cloud. All the necessary documents were completed. The developing team started working on the project. The team had 3 members. For the lock, Sla as the leading developer, Qudsi for the cloud, and Edward for the app. What we achieved at the end of this project. finalizing and then closing the project.
As a project manager, I had to manage my team and assign them roles according to Prince2 and their individual field of interest. I had to motivate, guide and lead my team in the right direction. I was the direct link between the project board and my team members through my team leader. For managing a successful project, risk and issues had to be knitted on daily intervals and change of role or responsibility wherever necessary. I had to update my project board of any changes made in the project and any issues which are still being there through daily log.
As I'm a team leader, so I have to work with two levels, management and with my team members. My task was to find any issue and risk may happen to the project and inform the project manager about them, and also to write it in issue log and risk log that provide according to Prince2.
As a documentation developer, my responsibilities are to gather all the information from the team members and myself and compile it into one Word file. After I have done that, I will submit it to the QA, which is a quality assurance, and they will check the quality of the work. If it is suitable, they will send it back and I will submit it. If it is not suitable, they will tell me the issue, and then whoever is responsible for that issue, I will tell them, and they will have to do it again and send it back to me, and I will send it back to the quality assurance, and if they are happy with it, then I will submit it, My other responsibilities were, if there is any issue, I will tell the team leader and he will solve it. I have a Gantt chart which I have to follow, so if I have not received anything from that person, I will report it to the team leader and he will solve it.
I was in charge of two roles, QA and the development of the cloud. QA involves the documentation guide to send documents to us to check whether it's up to date, up to scratch, and whether it fulfills the customer standards. In order for us to check this, we have to follow a set of standards set by the management team, in which they follow the Prince2 principles. If any issues occurred during this process, we would take this to the team leader and he would take proactive measures to ensure that this project does not shut down.
As a QA, I checked the documents, but the main thing I was concerned with was checking the quality of the artifacts. On the side of the products, we had the cloud, the lock, and the app that I had to check. And on the side of the presentation, I checked the video, the animation, and the video showcase. I used the checklist to effectively check the quality for all these different artifacts.
My second goal in the project was to aid the developers to develop a cloud. In order for the application to communicate with the door lock, the application will have to communicate with the cloud. The second benefit of the cloud, it will enable the application to save data within it, such as date, time, username, passwords, etc. It will also allow users to retrieve data within it.
I'm the developer of the log. I have to design and implement and test the log. The log have two phases. One phase is the Wi-Fi shell, and the second phase is the controlling the log. I found an error when I tested the log, but I solved this error and make the log work very well.
For the simulation part of the project, I designed an animation to show the three phases of the SDL system.